Hi.
That I love her. You beautiful? I was wearing somewhere I wasn't supposed to be. I wasn't at another bitch's house.
Okay.
That's no way to talk to you.
Okay. Want a cookie?
She was cute. I
told her that I wasn't cheating on her.
Okay. Huh?
Her head game strong. I didn't fuck two bitches when I was with her for like a whole year relationship.
Oh, wow.
And I fucked her like her best friend. Oh, I ain't talking about my age.
All right, bye.
I'm probably in chief.
Okay, so YouTube finally got me for my intro song, so y'all are just gonna have to enjoy me talk. You are my African queen, the girl of my dreams. You take me where I never been. You make my heart go ding-a-ling-a-ling. Did I even say that right? You know what? All right. What's up, everybody? If you're new, welcome. If you're old, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jerry, and you're watching Life with Jerry. Guys, what's up? How are you guys on this beautiful day? Before we get into this video, y'all already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. Follow me on all of my social medias. They're always in the description box, and my Instagram is always on the screen, as well as follow my TikTok. We just hit 10K not too long ago, period. Shout out to y'all for that, and that's just that on that. And go cop your merch. Merch is out now, merch been out, and merch is living. As you guys can see by that title and that thumbnail, today I'm going to be going on the Monkey app, doing another public interview type of ordeal, if that's even the right word for it, if I use that word in the right way in that sentence, I don't know. But yeah, so I'm about to be asking random boys on there, or people in general, what's a lie you told your ex? Hopefully they want to answer my questions. The last one, they answered my questions. It was pretty fun. I asked them what's the freakiest thing they've ever done or something like that. So if you haven't seen that one, go check it out, period. But yeah, I'm about to ask them what's a lie you told your ex, and hopefully they answer this question. So yeah, if y'all want to see that, keep on watching and get this video to 500 likes, period. I love y'all. Let's get it. Let's go. I'm actually kind of nervous. People don't be trying to like be on it when I be on YouTube type stuff. Damn, my phone not even charging. Hello? Hi. Okay. Wasn't even trying to talk to you, boy. Hello? What's up? Could you add time? Can I ask you a quick question real quick? What's a lie you told your ex? That you didn't cheat on her? Oh wow, okay. Heard you. I got you. Oh, whoopsies. I'm gonna put I hate it because I don't want them to ask me to rate the app, you know what I'm saying? We're not here for that. Hello?
Oh my god.
Hi.
Hi. Screenshot.
Did you just screenshot of me? Okay. Alrighty. Hello?
What up, babe?
What's up? Can you add time? Can I ask you a question real quick?
Start asking.
What's up? Okay, so what's a lie you told your ex?
Shit. Damn, what's a lie I told my ex? Shit. That I love her.
Oh, wow. That's tough. The L word.
Oh, yeah.
That's crazy. I heard you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm not even gonna say it. Hello?
Yo,
What's up? Can I ask you a question real quick?
what's up?
What's a lie you told your ex?
Something like that. You beautiful?
You told your ex that she was beautiful and you was lying?
Yup.
Then why'd you date her? Okay, I mean, go off. I heard you.
Cause she made me mad when I say that.
Okay, heard you. Got you. That didn't even make sense, like, but Hello?
Add time.
Can I ask you a quick question?
Add time.
I clicked the time. You gotta click it. Can I ask you a question real quick?
Yeah, you can ask me a question.
Okay, what's a lie you told your ex?
Damn, that. Why you gotta be so deep? Damn, I don't know.
It's just a question.
I was wearing somewhere I wasn't supposed to be.
A typical lie. Got you. Heard you. Alright.
But it was minor. Alright. What do you consider a lie?
Anything that's not the truth?
Touche. Okay. Now, would you ever tell a white lie?
If you leave stuff out, that's still a lie. In a way.
Why you being like this?
In a way. I mean, I do it too. I'm not saying I don't do it, but leaving stuff out.
Alright.
You know what I'm saying? It ain't the full truth.
Here's my little definition of a lie. Okay. I feel as if you at time.
I did. It's him. He keep telling me at time, boy, it's you. I pressed that. Okay, I wanted to know his definition too. Damn, whatever. Hello? We don't got time for the games. We just want to ask these questions and carry on with our life. Know what I'm saying? Hello?
Yo, who are the fastest readers in history? Who are the fastest readers in history?
I don't know. At time.
9/11 victims. They went through 70 stories in 30 seconds.
Okay, can you answer a question for me?
What's up?
What's a lie you told your ex?
My ex?
Mm-hmm.
That wasn't at another bitch's house.
Huh?
That wasn't at another bitch's house.
Okay, heard you. Okay.
I have another already.
Okay.
Why don't Chinese kids believe in Santa?
Huh?
Why don't Chinese kids believe in Santa?
I don't know.
They spent all year making the fucking toys.
But I'm not even about to, no, bye. Bye. He's going straight down there. Like, no, that wasn't even funny. Y'all don't want to answer my questions or something? Like, what's the tea? Hello? What's up? Okay. Want a cookie? What the fuck? You want a motherfucking cookie, nigga? Snatch it. Hello?
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good. Could you add time so I can ask you a question real quick?
I don't know about all that. That kind of scares me.
It's not a, come on. I can't even see your face. I don't even know who you is.
I know, sexy ass.
Alright, like, the fuck, must have been ugly. Hello?
Hey.
Can I ask you a quick question? Could you add time?
What's
Okay. What's a lie you've told your ex?
She was cute. I'm joking. She had a fat ass.
You told her she had a fat ass and she didn't?
No, she didn't.
Wow, that's crazy. No, but that's not a bad lie. That's not terrible.
Yeah. What about you? What have you told her?
I don't really.
You love
No, I haven't lied to an ex in that way. Oh, yeah, I've lied about their penis size.
Oh my.
Like 2 exes ago.
What? It's dick size.
Boy, don't even. But thank you for answering my question. Well, you all up in the background, boy. I'll answer it. And just to clarify that, y'all. Hello?
What's up?
What's up? Could you add time? Could I ask you a question real quick?
Alright, bet.
Okay, what's a lie you've told your... Yeah. What's a lie you told your ex?
Like what?
What's a lie you've told an ex?
Never.
You don't lie?
Never.
That's good. I'm proud of you.
Yeah. Alright.
My head itch. It's time to change this. Hello? Hi, could you add time so I can ask you a question real quick? What's a lie you told an ex? What's a lie you've told an ex?
What's the light?
What's a lie that you've told an ex? Alright, just say you don't want to answer it. The fuck? Y'all are rude. Ooh. Hello? Okay, could you answer a question for me real quick?
Yeah.
What's a lie you've told an ex?
Huh?
What's a lie you've told an ex? I told her that I wasn't cheating on her.
Okay.
That I was gonna call her and I didn't.
Okay, that's not bad.
Alright.
Thanks.
Scale of 1 to 10?
Rate you on a scale of 1 to 10? 7.5. Just cause I can't see you that well.
Don't worry about it.
Alright.
Rate me.
No, you're young. I'm not rating you. No. Hello?
Xbox or PlayStation? Xbox or PlayStation?
Okay, but y'all gotta answer a question for me too.
What?
At time. I'm gonna answer y'all's.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna say PlayStation, but I have an Xbox. Okay, but could y'all answer my question?
Why would you pick PlayStation?
Because they're just fun. Okay, but
like Ben. That's for Ben. If Ben's a little bitch, that's a bitch.
I'm dead.
I'm just kidding.
Okay, but what's a lie that y'all? Okay, what's a lie that y'all have told an ex? Huh?
I'm being dead ass. What the heck, bro? That's weird, bro. Wait, you guys wanna fucking see it? I'll show it to you.
No, it's okay. Thank you. Okay, thanks, guys. Appreciate that.
Bye.
I don't even know how to like. Okay.
5, 2, 1.
I didn't want to like exit it out. Hello.
What's up, baby?
Could you answer a question for me?
Yeah.
Add time. What's a lie you've told an ex?
What's a lie I told my ex?
Mm-hmm.
Her head game strong.
Okay.
And that's a fact.
Okay, heard you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day. Or night, whatever it is. We all on different types of parts of the world and stuff. Hello.
What's good?
Could you answer a question for me?
Yeah. More time.
What's a lie you told an ex?
I was a junior. I was a senior.
Okay.
Okay, wanna hear my story? No, shut the fuck up. Let me answer the question to the last nigga.
I didn't fuck 2 bitches when I was with her for like a whole year relationship.
Oh wow. Okay.
And I fucked like her best friend.
Okay. Heard you.
Yeah.
Okay.
As a guy, it was a girl's fault, not my fault. So
yeah. Whatever you say. What's your story?
Oh, so you know how it's junior and senior,
Mm-hmm.
like the grade.
Mm-hmm.
I told my girl I was a senior about her pressure.
Okay.
And I fucked her.
Heard you.
You can probably do that too.
No. No. First of all, TMI, sir. Why I keep getting the tubes? Hello?
Can I teach you? Go like this. Go bang, bang, bang.
I mean, I was just gonna do random stuff. I don't gang bang. Hello?
What's up?
Could you answer a question for me?
Yeah.
At time. What's a lie you've told an ex?
What I told who?
What's a lie that you've told your ex?
My ex.
Mm-hmm.
I ain't talking about my ex.
Hmm?
I don't remember.
Okay. Thanks. I didn't ask about her. I asked what's a lie that you told her. This is my last one. Hello?
Your name is Jerry?
It's Geraldine, but my nickname is Jerry. Could I ask you a question real quick at a time?
No, I don't want. No.
All right.
I
All right. Bye. Bye. Fuck, you don't gotta. I hate when people just be hella rude. Like, you don't have to be hella rude. Yes or no. Like, you don't gotta do too much. Fuck. Hello? I don't know what I was just looking at, but it's a no-go for me. His hand was moving too fast for me. My imagination is running. I'm trying to get a good last one for y'all because he just had me bent. Like, y'all give me, like, if you don't want to answer, just say no. Like, you don't gotta hop on being rude. Hello? Alright, like, ooh, they about to piss me off. Hello? I don't even have time. I don't have the time. I don't have the time. I think my patience is just running thin. Like, I'm trying to get a good last one for you guys. Hello? What's up? Hmm? What? Fix your Wi-Fi, my guy. Or get off of it. Hello? I just be clicking random stuff. I think I just said he cyberbullied me on accident. Whoopsies. Hello?
Hey, follow me.
Okay, can I ask you a question real quick? Okay, what's a lie that you told an ex?
Her being cheap.
Okay. Heard
I'm
you.
being honest, shit.
Yeah, heard you. That's.
I ain't about to tell my girl I cheated. If I want you, why would I say I cheated? Like, come on now.
But if you want her, why would you cheat?
You got a point.
So maybe you didn't really want her.
That was what she said too.
Maybe you ain't really want her.
The love's still there, you feel me?
I feel it.
Where you from?
Cali.
Oh yeah, what you got going on out there?
Quarantine.
Y'all lame. Y'all see me outside for that.
Where you from?
South Carolina.
Mm.
Yeah, I got it really good up there.
Really good? Like what? The virus or just life?
Well, both, but right now the virus.
I mean, yeah. It's a lot of cases, so they say.
So they say. They lying, they don't know shit. Word, facts. How old you was?
21, you?
Oh, okay, I know you. I was about to say 20.
You thought I was 20?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm about to be 22 next week.
That's crazy. I'm just about to fucking turn 20 next week.
When's your birthday?
Oh, next month.
Oh, when's your birthday?
May 14th.
That's what's
That's
up.
crazy, right?
Yeah, my mom's is on the 20th.
Oh, yeah? So I have a belated birthday.
On May 20th.
Word, facts. So what you doing before 20? I know you turning it up still.
I don't know.
You don't know?
I ain't even thought about it.
Oh, that's crazy. That's like the best time of the year.
It is, but we in weird times, so.
Listen, Christmas is not the best time. Once you get past like 11, 12 years old, it's fucking Christmas. It's 420. Word.
But hit me up on here.
I got you.
Alright, bye. Alright, y'all, so they was being kind of dry, slick. I mean, we got some good answers, but I feel like people wasn't giving it they all, know what I'm saying? And it's weird because it was a lot of like black screens this time. Maybe because it's getting later, and you know, I'm in a part of the world where it's still pretty early out here, but it's real like nighttime in the other parts of the world. So it's nighttime for most people. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. I love you so much, Jerry Gang, and I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you thumbs this video up so I know you like videos like this and you like monkey eye videos, and comment down any video ideas you may or may not have for me. Well, may not, you wouldn't comment, but may. Anyways, I love y'all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me leave you on a quick positive note. Beat your face, not people. Bye.